We're going to make bird feeders today. So to make bird feeders, you need some bird seed like this. And you can use Crisco or peanut butter or anything that will make the bird seed stick, okay? And then I just cut up paper plates and put a string in them so we can hang them up later. So everyone has their paper plate, right? Mm-hmm. All right, here's a little plastic knife. And you're going to spread Crisco all over your plate, okay? So spread it on both sides.
Both sides?
Both sides. And then tell me when it's all done, and I'll give you the bird seed to put on.
Yeah. Yeah, me too. I don't really. But this is actually not cream cheese.
No, it's not cream cheese, it's Crisco.
It looks like cream cheese.
It does look a little bit like cream cheese.
That's why I'm pretending you. I don't, it's kind of disgusting.
It's a little bit slimy.
Yeah, I know why.
But that's what's going to make the bird seed stick, so the birds can eat it, right?
Yeah, but why? What if the birds
Just
eat
put-
this?
It's okay if they eat it, that's why we're using it, because it won't make them sick. Okay, once you put it on both sides, let me know and we'll dip it in the bird seed.
Dip it in the bird seed, oh God.
Can I help you? I mean, it doesn't have to be too thick, just thin, so it sticks.
Do you like mine, Adrian? This is the...
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna do it, but
Okay, now flip it over. Do the other side.
I need more.
You need more? Okay, go ahead, get more.
Other side. I'm gonna get a lot.
Oh!
No! Drop it on my plate.
Can you help us in spreading it?
Spreading.
You don't want help? Okay.
He's not doing it. Oh, disgusting!
Oh, it's all right. You can wash your hands after.
Ew. I know, it's slimy. I don't
Just
like
spread it on. And then you can wash your hands after.
I'm done.
You're done? Okay, bring it over here. Abby.
I'm done too.
Okay, bring it over here. And then you're going to dip it in both sides. Dip both sides.
Spread it.
Press it down.
I said you didn't spread
All right, flip it over and do the other side. Oh, nice. Look at that.
Okay, it's my turn.
Okay, hold it up. There you go. Now you can hang it in a tree.
Mommy, can you help me?
Or you could hang it on a post or anything outside. Yes, in a minute.